Yeah, yeah. Hare Krishna, everyone. Today we have a wonderful session. I divided today's session in three parts. First, a wonderful story, then wonderful lesson, and then we have a shloka recitation. Okay, I hope you will all enjoy this session nicely, and every part have a wonderful lesson and wonderful moral. Okay, so let's start from our prayers. First, I'm going to pray to Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada is the founder Acharya of ISKCON. Okay, जिन्होंने ISKCON की स्थापना की वो Srila Prabhupada और उन्हीं का नाम हम सब because of him we are here today. Okay, so let's first Prabhupada Pranam mantra. I know you don't know, but today I will teach you this mantra also. नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी नित्य नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे जगत गुरु श्री प्रभुपाद की श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। नाउ माय गुरु महाराज प्रणाम मंत्र नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिजार स्वामी नामिने सनिक चेतन सपना हितवागी नाम जसपतम प्रभुपादा गता प्रणोमि भक्ति चारु पदम। His Holiness Bhakti Swami Maharaj ki jai. Hare Krishna, everyone. So let's start story, instructive story from the teaching of Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. Who is the Bhakti Vedanta Saraswati Thakur? Bhakti Vedanta Saraswati Thakur is the guru of our founder Acharya Srila Prabhupada. Okay. So if somebody asks you who is Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur is guru of Srila Prabhupada. The today's story is a family for the Gita. Okay, so let's start. May I start, everyone? Show me your thumbs up. Okay, thank you. Once a renowned spiritual master sent his disciple with a copy of the Holy Gita. Do everyone know Gita, Bhagavad Gita? I hope everyone have a Gita that written by Srila Prabhupada. Of सो एक बार क्या होता है उनके जो गुरु रहते हैं वो अपने शिष्य को क्या देते हैं गीता देते हैं परफेक्ट योर लाइफ बाय स्टडीइंग हिज भगवत गीता एवरी डे और क्या बोलते हैं कि तुम ही रोज गीता पढ़ो और जिससे तुम्हारा जीवन क्या होगा सफल हो जाएगा तो ऐसा आप देख सकते हो यू कैन सी हियर ही इज अ स्टूडेंट ही इज अ डिसाइपल ऑफ गुरु and guru is giving a gita to study properly and daily not in one a month okay. So what he is saying, perfect your life by studying this Bhagavad Gita every day. I shall study regularly, Maharaj. Disciple ने क्या बोला? Can I study regularly? वो अपने गुरु से पूछते हैं कि क्या मैं रोज पढ़ सकता हूँ? Then what happened? When he got Gita from his Maharaj, his guru, what he did? He took Gita and where he went? He started studying the Gita sitting inside a cab on the Vindhya hills. Where he went? He took Gita from his Maharaj and he went to the Vindhya hills cab. Okay. And he started recitation. Dharmashetre Kurukshetre Mametayusava Mamaka Pandvaye Chayev Kim Akurvata Sanjaya. ऐसे उन्होंने रिसाइटेशन शुरू किया. मम वाञ्छो जीवलोके जीवभूता सनातना मशस्त्राणि इंद्राणि प्रकृतिस्थानि कर्षति. You can see he started recite the all verses in this cab. Who? Disciple of Maharaj. And what happened suddenly? You can see here. What is this? Mouse. A small mouse in the cab started eating the pages of Gita every day. We know mouse are very naughty. He can eat cloth. He can bite our papers. He can bite our cloth, plastic, everything they can bite with their small little sharp teeth. So what happened with disciple? He kept his Gita on a wonderful little table or desk, sprayed a cloth, and then put his Gita. And what happened? In the absence of the disciple, one mouse came and started eating the pages of Gita every day. A small mouse in the cab started eating the pages of Gita every day. Now he came back after take a bath. Oh my God! I am extremely irritated with this mouse. I will bring a kitten to stop the mischief of this mouse. We all know very well mouse is afraid from cat. क्योंकि why? Because cat चूहे को खा जाती है. तो चूहा किससे? बिल्ली से डरता है. हमको पता है ना ये चीज. चूहा डरता है बिल्ली से, बिल्ली डरती कुत्ते से, कुत्ता डरता है गाय से. So cat is afraid from dog. Sorry, rat is afraid from cat. Cat is afraid from dog. Dog afraid from cow. Cow is not going to eat the dog, but cow can kick the dog because she is very big in a size than dog. That's why. Oh my God, I am extremely irritated with this mouse. I will bring a kitchen to stop the mischief of this mouse. Who is thinking this? This disciple of Maharaj thinking, mouse did very bad manners with my Gita. He ate my Gita, so I will punish him. Now you can see here, white cat is little pussy cat here. The mouse went away, but the kitten started to constantly cry for milk. This would cause disturbance. Now what happened? Now to see cat, mouse run away from the cab. But what happening? When he start studying nicely his Gita, what happened? Now cat started to cry. Meow, meow. Why? Because she is feeling hungry. In camp, nothing to eat for her. Okay, so she started cry for milk. So because she is crying, so he getting disturbance because of his her cry, and this disciple unable to study properly. So now what he thinking? Oh, now what I have to do? I have to arrange some milk for her. In order to stop the kitten's crying, I should provide him milk, for which I can to acquire milk. In consideration with all the problems in acquiring the milk every day, I strongly feel the need for keeping a cow. Now what he thinking? Now mouse is not here to eat my Gita, but now because cat is here and she need a food, and what she like? She like a milk, and milk comes from Gai Mata, mother cow. So now what I have to do? Because it's very difficult to me. I should go every day in the morning, in the evening to bring a milk for my my cat. So it's better. I will bring a one sperm cow that give me milk, and I can feed my cow, my cat. So now you can see he went to the market. He went to the bazaar. By the grace of the Lord, one kind-hearted person gifted one cow. And because he is a disciple, he is a monk, so he have no money. He has no money. So what happened? By the grace of Lord, he got a one gift. One kind-hearted person gifted this beautiful cow to him. Now he is very happy. You can see his smile face. In spite of getting the cow, still I have anxiety of maintaining this cow. He is very happy to got cow, but still he is in a great anxiety because if he is going to keep cow with him, but he is maintained to cow because cow also need water, green grass, चारा सबको पता है चारा खाती है गैया गैया चारा खाती है हरा हरा सो अब मैं वो सोचती हूँ कि अरे मैंने चूहे को भगाया तो बिल्ली को लाया बिल्ली ने रोना शुरू किया क्योंकि उसको भूख लग रही दूध के लिए तो मैं सुबह शाम जाऊंगा दूध तो लाऊंगा नहीं तो क्या किया उन्होंने काव लेके आए उनको काव गिफ्ट में मिल गया काव गिफ्ट में तो मिला लेकिन काव को भी क्या चाहिए वाटर और ग्रीन ग्रास बिकॉज काव तो कुछ भी नहीं खाती उसको तो घास घास चाहिए और पानी चाहिए now he is again in a great anxiety, in a tension. See, beautiful house of cow. The disciple built a barn with much labor and effort to make the cow stay safely and comfortably. What he did, उन्होंने एक गाय का घर तो बना दिया और गाय भी बहुत खुश वहां पे अच्छे से रह रही है ऐसे लेकिन अभी क्या हमें कोई अच्छा नया हमको बोले आप बड़े से घर में रहो तो क्या हमें भूख नहीं लगेगी क्या we feel still hungry now. If we are living in a very wonderful house, what do you mean? We don't need any food. We need food for our life. Very happy to got wonderful house, but she need food. So you can see here, I am finding it very difficult to maintain the cow, providing her with regular fodder and water. Moreover, I am spoiling my devotional performance while caring for this cow. So I think I need to appoint a coward. Now what are you thinking? Oh, I'm totally full day my going on because take care of this cow. I'm unable to study properly. I have no time for my study. Why I bring this cow here to fulfill the desire of my cat. And why I bring cat here? मैं कैट क्यों लाया ताकि चूहे को भगाए और चूहे को क्यों भगाना था क्योंकि चूहा मुझे परेशान नहीं करे चूहा भाग गया बिल्ली आ गई बिल्ली आई तो दूध चाहिए दूध के लिए गाय चाहिए तो चारा चाहिए तो पानी चाहिए तो अभी व्हाट्स हैपनिंग नाउ व्हाट ही थिंकिंग oh she is taking so much time I'm take care of her but I have not time for my study so what he thinking now he thinking for cowherd means जो one person who can take care of cow. Now you can see person came. The cowherd took charge of maintaining the cow, but then who was going to feed the cowherd and took after his duty regularly. After much deliberation, finally the anxious student got married. Now what happened? What happened with him? Disciple? He is a cowherd. He is a labor. Why he came here to take care of cow? To maintain cow, to give a bath cow, to give a food, to give a water. अभी क्या हुआ कि पहले चूहा भागा बिल्ली आई तो दूध चाहिए गाय चाहिए तो चारा भी पानी भी चाहिए और फिर उसके लिए एक आदमी को रखा लेकिन अभी आदमी क्या बोलता है what he is saying I need my food because how I can survive I am not survive on only milk I need food so finally what happened what he did, he get married. Can you imagine? Now he's not doing anything, not studying, he got married. And what happened? Gradually his family grew up. He acquired vast property, manpower, a big palace. The student thus became an out and out family man, leaving aside his study of the Gita. तो क्या हुआ वो गीता पढ़ने गया था उसके महाराज ने बोला इतने अच्छे से शांति से गीता पढ़ रहा था वो लेकिन फिर वहां चूहा आया, चूहे ने गीता को काटा, फिर बिल्ली लाया, बिल्ली को दूध चाहिए था, फिर गाय आई, गाय के लिए व्हाट हैपनिंग? यशस्वी, आर यू ओके डियर?
Ma'am, I can't understand Hindi.
Okay, but you can understand this thing, na? That's why I'm taking the pictures of writing in English. First, I will telling everything in English. Somebody unable to understand English, then I am little bit transferring. Okay, no worry. So don't worry, you are not leaving any part. Because of you only, I am doing this thing. Okay, because of you and some of you kids, I am doing everything in English. And because some students are not able to understand English properly, that's why I am doing some little translation. Okay, so don't worry, dear. Okay, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so don't worry. So continue. Okay. So what happened now? He got married, he got child, beautiful child, and he left his study. Okay. So अभी क्या हुआ? उसने अपनी पढ़ाई छोड़ दी and everyone please note this thing. Don't worry if you are not able to understand Hindi. Don't worry if you are not able to understand इंग्लिश। अगर आपको इंग्लिश नहीं आती है कोई बात नहीं। आई एम कवरिंग एवरीथिंग इन अ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, आई एम कवरिंग एवरीथिंग इन अ हिंदी लैंग्वेज। ओके, सो डोंट वरी, यू आर नॉट यू आर एवरी पार्ट इज गोइंग टू कवर। ओके, सो नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड? अभी उसने शादी कर लिया एंड ही लेफ्ट हिज स्टडी। One day, what happened? His guru, his Maharaj came to check his student. How much my student studied properly? Kyunki what happened? If we are going to school, our teacher going to check out na inspection, how we are studying, how was our studies going on, what we are doing. After a long lapse of time, his spiritual master trying to find out his disciples whereabouts happened to come in front of the disciples' palace. What happened? He started to find his student. Where is my student? I gave him a wonderful Gita to teach to study nicely. But what happened with him? तो वो आके अपने स्टूडेंट के घर के सामने देखते हैं कि उसका घर इतना ब्यूटीफुल पैलेस है, he has a beautiful wife, he has so many kids and he is enjoying, he left his study. What is all this? And he now you saw everything like this, his student left everything. So what he asking, what is all this? What are you doing? You are not studying. Oh master, this family I had to build up for the sake of your holy Gita. What is saying, Maharaj, please forgive me whatever I did for your holy Gita. कि भाई मुझे तो माफ कर दो, मैंने जो भी किया आपकी गीता के लिए किया है, क्योंकि भाई आपने मुझे गीता दी थी और गीता को चूहा काट रहा था। That's why. So what we learned, what is the lesson of this story? Anyone want to speak? Okay, first I will tell the purpose of story. A truly Krishna conscious person should not increase the magnitude of his want and requirements to the name of Yukta Viragya, proper renunciation. A living entity engaged in devotional service should never consider himself to be equal in status and opposite with a perfect liberated great soul. What happened? If we are student, we don't demand for anything. Oh, mama, I need computer. Oh, mama, I need so many things. I need this. I need do. हमें कभी भी ऐसे बड़ी डिमांड्स नहीं करना चाहिए, हमें हमारी स्टडी को अच्छे से करना चाहिए। और इफ यू आर कृष्णा कॉन्शियस, इफ यू आर ग्रेट सोल, इफ यू आर नाइस सोल, डोंट कंपेयर योरसेल्फ विद अदर। और हमारे पास जितने यहाँ पे सोर्सेज है, हमको उसमें अपना कुछ अच्छे से हमें अपना उसमें ही गुजारा करना ही चाहिए। Okay, I can see somebody raise hand. I will take your question in the end of this story. Okay, don't worry. One who is engaged in devotional service either as a sannyasi or as a grasta must adhere strictly to the scriptural injunction with the prescribed thus. Okay kids, we can see, we can learn from here कि हमें कभी भी ज्यादा, we never demand so much. Okay, हमें कभी भी बहुत ज्यादा डिमांड नहीं करना है, जितना हमारे पास है हमें उतने में खुश रहना चाहिए. ओके, सो नाउ हु वांट टू रिसाइट दिस स्टोरी इन हिंदी और इन इंग्लिश? Please raise your hand and I can see there is some question. Okay, please somebody if have any question or doubt, please raise your hand. Should I continue otherwise? Okay kids, anybody want to recite this story? कोई स्टोरी बोलेगा ये वाली जो मैंने बताई अभी? ओके, कोई भी नहीं बोलेगा? Nobody want to speak this story? ओके, आपको अच्छी लगी? ओके, आराध्या नितानी. ओके आराध्या.
मैम माता जी हरे कृष्णा.
हरे कृष्णा, would you like to speak?
यस माता जी.
Okay, continue. You have only 3 minutes. Start fast, okay?
यस माता जी.
Okay.
पहले क्या हुआ, वो जो गुरुजी थे उनने भागवत गीता पढ़ने को बोला. तो एक दिन चूहा भागवत गीता खा जाता था रोज, एवरीडे. फिर वो जो भागवत गीता पढ़ते थे उनने बिल्ली लाई. तो बिल्ली जब वो पढ़ रहे थे भागवत गीता तब वो बिल्ली रोने लगी कि उसको दूध चाहिए. फिर वो मार्केट गए गाय को लेने. अब फिर फिर वो बहुत खुश होकर गाय लेकर. फिर उन्होंने गाय ली तो उनको एक कावड़ भी चाहिए था गाय की दूध निकालने और चारा के लिए. फिर उसको फूड चाहिए था सरवाइव करने के लिए.
जी. Yes. Then
माता जी वो सिद्धि आती है.
हाँ. Then because अब उस जिसको लेकर कावहट को he need a food. अब कावहट को भी फूड चाहिए था तो उसने सोचा मैं शादी कर लेता हूँ, शादी होगा मेरी वाइफ आएगी सब काम करेगी. तो फिर अपनी स्टडी छोड़ के सब काम में लग जाता है, पैसे कमाने में, और स्टडी छोड़ देता है. So what we learn from this story, we never demand so much for anything. Okay, हमें ज्यादा डिमांड नहीं करना चाहिए. Whatever we have, we should learn how we are able to manage. हमको उसमें मैनेज करना चाहिए and we just focus on our study. हमको अपनी स्टडी पे फोकस करना चाहिए. If we are Krishna conscious, अगर हम अपनी भक्ति कर रहे हैं तो in our devotional service, in our devotional life, we always learn how we are able to manage whatever source we have. Okay, now next I'm going to take a next part. First part is completed. Now wonderful spiritual letter land. Can I start, everyone? Okay, show me your thumbs up. Thank you. Okay, spiritual letter land. You do know letter A, B, C, D. So we are going to start from letter A. But before letter, we are going to learn some prayers. Shri Guru Pranam Mantra. In the starting of today's session, I told you now something. Prabhupada, you can see here Prabhupada. And Prabhupada is the founder Acharya of ISKCON. Because of him, we are today here. That's why we are able to talk. Shri Gaur Pranamant, Guru Pranamant. So please recite with me. Join your hand and recite with me. Om Agyantimirandhasya. Everyone recite nicely. Om, Om. Say 3 times. Om, Om, Om. Agyana, Agyana, Agyana. Anvita, try beta, try with me. Om. Speak everyone. Om. Agyana, Agyana. Timirandhasya. Timirandhasya. Jnananjana. 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 Shalatya. Jnananjana. Shalatya. Om Agyan Timirandhasya. Om Agyan Timirandhasya. Jnananjana Shalatya. Om Agyan Timirandhasya. Jnananjana Shalatya. Chakshu. Chakshur. Umlitam yena. Chakshu umlitam yena. Tasmai Shri Gurve Namah. Okay. Om Agyantimirandhasya. Jnananjana Shalakaya. Chakshurumlitam yena. Tasmai Shri Gurve Namah. Actually, this is a main Guru Pranam mantra. Okay. Prabhupada Pranam mantra little bit different. I will teach you also Guru. This is a Guru matlab. In our ISKCON there are our Guru Parampara. If we recite this month for each and every Guru, okay? And Prabhupada Pranam is little different and it's little long, okay? So I will teach you next week. Prabhupada Pranam is like Nama Vishnu Padaya, Krishna Pishtaya Bhutale, Srimati Bhakti वेदांत सरस्वती नामे नमस्ते सरस्वती देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे. Prabhupada Pranam is little bit long, okay, but this is very simple and I'll send the meaning of this month in a group, okay everyone. So I am just going to tell you meaning of this mantra now. I offer my respectful obeisances unto my spiritual master who has opened my eyes. Chakshu means eye, okay, which were blind by the darkness of ignorance with the torchlight of knowledge. With how our Guru Maharaj opened our eyes? With the torchlight of knowledge. Okay. So this is a Guru Pranam mantra. Om Agyantimirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakya Chakshurumritamena Tasmai Shri Gurve Namah. Now you can see here. Yay, Jai. Srila Prabhupada Pranam mantra. Yes. Okay, you got it this month, everyone? Got it this mantra? Please join your hand like this and recite with me. Om Agyantimirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurumritam yena Tasmai Shri Gurve Namah. From today, before start our session, we will recite this mantra always, okay? Every Sunday we will recite in the starting of the session. Now prayers to Srila Prabhupada Pranam mantra. Nice. Okay. So finally, with the blessing or Kripa of Prabhupada, we got this Pranam mantra. Nama Om Vishnu Padaya. Please recite me. Nama Om Vishnu Padaya. Nama Om Vishnu Padaya. देखो नामा ओम विष्णु पदाय कृष्णा पृष्ठाय भूतले Recite with me, everyone. Don't look here and there. Namam Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Shrimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine Namam Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Shrimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine. Once more. Namam Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Shrimate Bhakti Siddhanta Swami Tinamine. Meaning of these two lines: I offer my respectful obeisances unto His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, who is very dear to Lord Krishna, having taken shelter at His lotus feet. Got it? Meaning of these two lines? Everyone, please guide me again. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale. Kana, recite with me. Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine. Very nice, everyone. Now, these two lines. Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine. Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine. निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणे नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणे. Okay, now two line at a time. Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणे. Meaning of these two lines: our respective obeisances are unto you, O spiritual kindly preaching the message of Lord Chaitanya Dev and delivering the Western countries which are filled with impersonalism and worldism. Okay. So please now 4 line at a time. This 4 line. Nama Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Tinamine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesh Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine. Who is able to recite this mantra? Prabhupada Pranam Mantra and this Guru Pranam Mantra. Om Agyan and Namo Vishnu Padaya. Kishori. Okay, Kishori. Yes.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yes, dear. Start. Om Agyan Timirandasya first.
Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjanasalakaya Chakshurumilitam Jena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah.
Very nice. Prayer to share Prabhupada.
Yes, Mataji. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharini Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarini.
Good
Hare Krishna. Hare
job. Okay, anybody else want to try? Please raise your hand. Okay, Kana. Please raise your hand electronic. Okay. Okay, Kana.
ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः।
Okay, Shila Prabhupada प्रणाम मंत्र.
नमो ओम विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिन्निति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे।
Very nice. Good job. Anybody else? Please raise your hand. Please try. You can do. I know you can do. Nobody want. Oh, I am not good teacher. It means okay. Nobody want to speak. Okay. So may I continue? Okay, you can see here. पंच तत्व. पंच तत्व की जय. Jayavardhan, now you wait. This is Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ki jai. Gaur Nitai. Nityanand Prabhu ki jai. Advaita Acharya ji ki jai. Gadadhar Pandit ji ki jai. Srinivas Thakur ji ki jai. So these are our Panch Tattva. Whenever you went to Mayapur, तो आप मायापुर में जाओगे तो आप देखोगे वहां पे पंचतत्व के बहुत बड़े विग्रह हैं. In Mayapur we have a very big deities of this पंच तत्व. Okay, so Sri Panchatat Pranam is very simple. Shri Krishna Chaitanya, please recite me everyone. This is very most simple shloka. Okay, Shri Krishna Chaitanya प्रभु नित्यानंद. श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य मतलब पहले श्री चैतन्य प्रभु को जय कर रहे हैं, फिर प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर. देखे थे ना? देखो, श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद. सो हम सबको जय कर रहे हैं, चैतन्य महाप्रभु को, नित्यानंद प्रभु को, अद्वैत को, गदाधर को और श्रीवास आदि और जितने भी गुरु और भक्त वृंद है सबको वी आर गोइंग टू प्रे फॉर देयर ब्लेसिंग. श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद. We will recite 3 times, okay? श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद. आगे महामंत्र हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. टुडे we learn Guru Pranam mantra, Srila Prabhupada Pranam mantra and Panchatat Pranam mantra and Maha mantra. So before start our every session, we will recite together. You all please recite me before start the session, okay? So जब भी हम संडे क्लास करेंगे हम लोग ये वाला है मंत्र बोलेंगे. Then we will start our session. So who is able to start? Who able to speak this pranam mantra? जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद. हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे. Okay, first is Anvita Roy. Okay, Anvita, please unmute yourself. Unmute करो अपने आप को. Yes, yes, बेटा, you can start.
श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद.
Very nice. Mahamantra.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Clapping for Anvita. Well done. Okay, next is Kana Betu. You done now? Now please give to other kids chance. Okay, chance to other kids. Okay, Kishori, you done already. So now you. Okay, Yashashri, do you want to speak, dear? Why? You can do. I know you're a very brilliant girl. Try. Okay, I will help you. Try. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, try.
Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita
Nityanand. Okay,
Gadya.
Nityanand. Shri Krishna Chaitanya
Okay,
Prabhu
ma'am.
Nityanand.
Nityadan Sri Advaita
Gadadhar.
Gadadhar Srivasidi Garu Bhakta Vinada.
See, I told you na, you are very brilliant girl. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shri Vasadi Gaur Bhaktavind. Yes, now this mantra. Try this also.
Okay, ma'am. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Good job. All my dear kids, my sweet laddu, please all try this mantra every day, okay? Please recite mantra. Whenever you are free, please decide read this Maha Mantra. This is very powerful, okay? You are all my laddu, all my barfi, all my sweet. Okay, now who want to speak? Aradhya, you done already. Drishti Roy, okay, Drishti. Okay, I can see everyone. I give you chance one by one. Okay, just wait. Yeah, Drishti.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare.
Good job. Now, Amlan Kumar. Okay, Amlan, you can speak. Please unmute yourself. Yes.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shiva Sadi Gaura Bhaktavrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare.
Good job. Okay, Jayavardhan Singh, then Mamta. Okay.
Hare Krishna, Krishna
Start
Krishna.
from this Panchatat Pranam na Shri Krishna Chaitanya.
Okay, Mataji.
Hmm.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya
Chaitanya.
Prabhu
Hmm.
Yananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinada.
Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. Okay. Okay, Mahamantra. Hare Krishna. Jayavardhan bolo. Speak. Okay, I think जयवर्धन ने महामंत्र नहीं बोला है. Let's see. Kartika, yay! Yes, Kartika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityanandana Sri Advaita Gadadhara Gadahara Sri Vasadi Guru
Srivas Adi.
Sri Vasadi
Gaur
Bhakti
Vrinda. Okay, recite with me also, dear. Shri Krishna Chaitanya. Bolo.
Chaitanya,
Prabhu Nityananda.
Prabhu Nityananda,
Shri Advaita Gadadhar.
Sri Advaita Gadahara,
Shri Vasadi.
Sri Vasadi,
Gaur Bhakta Vrinda.
Bhakta Vrinda.
Okay, now this Mahamantra start.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Very nice. Okay, now next is Isha.
जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य
ईशा मैं आपको छोड़ने वाली नहीं हूँ. You should start from here. आपको तो यहाँ से बोलना है ओम अज्ञाते मिरादस से. Start. I know you can do it. Start from here, Isha. I will help you. Okay. I know you can do it, Isha. Okay. Do it. ओम अज्ञाते मिरादस से. Start from here. I will help you. Okay. Isha. Okay, start from Prabhupada Pranam Mantra. Hare
can I
Krishna.
speak from ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य
Okay, yes, start.
ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः.
Very good. Prabhupada Pranam Mantra.
नमः ओम विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामिनिति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे.
Superb. Good job. Now, Panchatat Pranam Mantra.
श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद. हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे रामा 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 हरे हरे.
Well done. Superb. Now, next is Sharanya. Sharanya. Yes.
श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद. हरे हरे राम राम हरे हरे.
Good job. Okay. Now. Okay. So today we learn Guru Pranam Mantra, Prabhupada Pranam Mantra, Panchatat Pranam Mantra, Mahamantra. And we will recite before every class. Start every class. Now letter A. A for not apple. A for Arjuna. Who is Arjun? I think everybody know there are 5 Pandavas. The mother of Pandava is Kunti Maharani. 5 Pandavas. First is Yudhishthir, then Bhim, then Arjun, Nakul, Sahadev. Okay, they are 5 brothers and they are son of Kunti Maharani. And the father of this man was Pandu Maharaj. Okay, so Arjun is one of the 5 Pandavas. He is the greatest Acharya. He is a friend of Krishna. Krishna spoke the Bhagavad Gita to Arjun in the battlefield of Kurukshetra. We know everything. कुरुक्षेत्र का जो युद्ध हुआ था महाभारत कुरुक्षेत्र में, in the battle of Kurukshetra there is a big war. The name of war is Mahabharat. Okay, and the war between the Kuru and Pandavas. Okay, Kaurav and Pandavas. Okay, so Arjun is one of the 5 Pandavas. He is the greatest Acharya, and Arjun is he is the best friend of Krishna. He is a friend of Krishna. And Krishna spoke the Bhagavad Gita to Arjun in the battlefield of Kurukshetra. We are learning so many shlokas from Bhagavad Gita. So that Gita is spoken by Krishna to Arjun in the battlefield of Kurukshetra. So Arjun and yes. Now there is a short story, Arjun and the Eye of the Bird. I hope you all know the story of the Eye of the Bird, but I am going to recite. Long ago in the kingdom of Hastinapur, which was ruled by the Kuru dynasty, lived the royal princes known as the Pandavas and the Kauravas. The Pandavas were five princes, namely Yudhishthir, Bhim, Arjun, Nakul, and Sahadev. Just I told you, in Hastinapur there is a big kingdom, ruled by Kuru dynasty, and there lived the Pandavas, five princes and 100 princes from Kauravas. And the five princes' name is Yudhishthir, Bhim, Arjun, Nakul, and Sahadev. The Kauravas were 100 princes, namely Duryodhana, Dushashan, and 98 other. The two are very famous, Duryodhana and Dushashan. Dronacharya is the guru or teacher of the Pandavas and Kurus. All 100 Kurus princes teach by Dronacharya. All 5 Pandavas princes teach by Dronacharya. So Dronacharya is the guru of Pandavas and Kauravas. Dronacharya was a royal guru or teacher of these princes. He would train them in the art of war, which included archery, Gada fighting, sword fighting, spear fighting, and other arts of fighting with weapons. So he teach Dronacharya is so many arts in fighting. Okay. So now we can see all the princes were extremely clever and had learned the teaching of their guru very well. Yudhishthir was expert at throwing spear and chariot fighting. Bhim and Duryodhan were very good in Gada fighting. Nakul and Sahadev as sword fighting. And Ashwatthama, who was the son of Dronacharya, was excellent in using magical weapons. So you got it? Everyone is expert in unique way, in a unique art, in a fighting, okay? Hope you are enjoying, not boring, okay? Are you getting bored? Or no? Okay, thank you. So what happened? They are very powerful. Arjuna was an all-rounder, excellent at the archery, bow and arrows, and could fight with 6,000 soldiers at the same time. Oh my God. Single Arjun can fight 60,000 soldiers at a time. One day, Dronacharya decided to test his students. He therefore placed a toy bird on top of a branch of a tree and called all of his students. He said, I want all of you to aim at the eye of that toy bird situated on the tree with your bow and arrows. What happened, you know, na? When we are going to schools, our teacher teaches us so many things, maths, English, physics, chemistry, biology, or sometime Hindi, or social science, physical science. So many subjects we are going to learn in school. But what happened when we learn, when we study our subject nicely, what happened in the end of the day, we have to give our exam. Exam for what? To test us what we learned from our school. हमने हमारे स्कूल से क्या सीखा, and our teacher want to judge us by the exam. तो क्या होता है कि यहाँ पे भी द्रोणाचार्य बोलते हैं कि मैंने सब बच्चों को सब पढ़ा दिया, लेकिन अब मुझे उनको टेस्ट करना चाहिए. So what he did, he take a bird toy, and he kept on a branch of the tree. And what is the goal? To what is given the honor the tree with your bow and arrow. So I want you, all of you, the aim at the eye, that toy bird situated on the tree with your bow and arrow. I will call each one of you turn by turn to do so. What he did, he kept a bird toy on a branch of the tree, and what he did, please goal on the eye of the bird. Okay. First, he called the eldest prince Yudhishthir. When Yudhishthir placed an arrow on his bow and aimed at the bird, Dronacharya asked him, "O prince, tell me what you see." Yudhishthir replied, "O Gurudev, I can see you, my brothers, the trees and the bird." What happened? Because Yudhishthir is the eldest brother, so first Dronacharya called the Yudhishthir Maharaj and asked, "My dear, what you able to see?" So what the Yudhishthir Maharaj replied, "I can see, Gurudev, you, my brothers, tree and bird." So Dronacharya asked him the same question again and again, and each time received the same reply. Dronacharya was very angry with Yudhishthira and said, "Keep your bow and arrow down and go back to your seat. But they go away from here. I want a single answer, and you're not able to give me a proper answer. Just go from away. Just go away from here." Now Dronacharya then called Duryodhan and asked him, "Oh prince, tell me what you see. What do you see?" Duryodhan too gave the same reply as Yudhishthir. Angry Dronacharya asked Duryodhan to go and did not allow him to shoot either. Shoot the eye of the bird. Actually, the aim is this. One by one, Duryodhan called all the princes and asked them the same question, to which all of them give them same answer. So what happening now? Dronacharya calling everyone one by one and asking same question to everyone, and he getting same answer. "Oh my Guru Maharaj, oh my Guru, oh my teacher, I am able to see you, my all brother, tree and bird." And Guru Maharaj getting very angry on all students. He was extremely disappointed with them and sent all of them back without letting them shoot. Finally, Dronacharya called Arjuna and asked him, "Oh prince, tell me what you see. Can you see me? Your brother, the tree or the bird?" Arjuna replied, "Oh Gurudev, I can see only the bird's eyes and nothing else." So Arjun ने क्या reply किया? See, हम क्या करते? What we doing? We are doing our study and while studying we are eating, we are watching TV, and we are playing. We do so many things while our study, and whenever we are doing, we are not focused properly. I can see you, some of kids not focusing on the screen, and me too also. Some are looking here, some are looking there, some are eating something, some are playing with their colleagues or cousins. So you can see focus is very important, attention is very important, and only the 105, when in total 104 students are there and 105 students are there, 100 Kuru, 5 Pandavas. Among of all the students, only Arjun is a student. He is a perfect, his attention only on his goal, only on his aim. So what he say? "Oh my Gurudev, oh Gurudev, I can only see the bird's eye and nothing else." This reply of Arjuna made Dronacharya extremely happy, and he immediately asked Arjuna to shoot the eye of the bird. Arjuna carefully aimed at the bird's eye with full concentration and raised his arrow from the bow. The arrow perfectly hit the eye of the toy bird. The bird instantly fell down to the ground. Dronacharya was extremely satisfied and pleased with Arjuna. He hugged tightly, and praised him for his qualities and ability to focus and hit the target perfectly. So what we learn from this story? Arjuna accepts Krishna as the supreme personality of Godhead. Arjuna is a perfect in his aim. So हमें भी क्या करना चाहिए? The moral of the story: the power of attention focus made Arjuna the greatest achar and warrior in the whole world. We should also be attentive when we study, play, help others, chant or pray to get the best result. Whenever we are doing anything, we just focus and attentive, be attentive. If we are attending our Sunday school class, be attentive on your Sunday school class. Don't do anything. If you are studying, then study properly. Don't focus here and there. Just focus on your study. Be attentive while you study. If you are playing, then play nicely. If you are chanting, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Hare. Chant nicely. Okay. If you are helping your parents, then help nicely. Got it, everyone? सबको अच्छा लगा? Okay. Anybody want to recite this story? I have so many stories for you today. Anybody want to speak this story? Okay, just tell me what lesson we got from this story. You just tell me moral of the story, okay? Okay, Sharanya, first you.
Should I tell the story, Mataji?
Yeah, you can tell a story and as well as moral also. Moral is the most important.
Okay, Mataji. Once Dronacharya, the teacher of the Pandavas and Kauravas, was taking an exam. That time, he called the first eldest.
Dear, you are not audible, Sharanya. Sit at a place and then you can speak. Okay.
Yes, Mataji. Now I'm audible, Mataji.
But you sit, you don't walk, okay? Otherwise, lot of interference are coming from there.
Okay, Mataji.
Okay.
Once there was a teacher of Kauravas and Pandavas called Dronacharya. He was teaching all the weapons such as all the other weapons. So once he was taking an exam. That time he asked the first Yudhishthira, what do you see? He kept a toy bird in the top of the tree and asked him, what do you see? What do you see? So Yudhishthira said, I can see you, my brothers, the tree and the toy. He asked Yudhishthira many times, but he says the same answer. So angry, Dronacharya sends
Okay.
back to his place.
Okay, continue.
So next he asked Duryodhana. Even he said the same answer. For all the 100 students, same thing. All told the same. So at last he asked Arjuna. Arjuna said that he asked Arjuna, what do you see there? He says that I can see only the eye of the bird. So he asked the question many times and he has the same answer. So Dronacharya was very happy. He held Arjuna very tightly and he asked him to shoot. He aimed at the bird's eye and he shooted correctly. So moral of the story is we should be attentive all the time.
Very nice. And if we are attentive, we are able to focus on our goal and we get the best result. Okay. Happy. Super girl. Okay, anybody else? Jayavardhan. Okay, Jayavardhan.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Dronacharya then called Duryodhana and long ago.
Jayavardhan, you can speak in Hindi also.
Okay, okay, माता जी हरे।
आप हिंदी में भी बोल सकते हो और इंग्लिश में भी बोल सकते हो।
Okay.
तो आप हिंदी में
All
सुनाओ स्टोरी।
were extremely teachings of their Guru very well. Yudhishthira was expert at throwing spears and chariot of the
Okay, I think there is a network issue. You do one thing. Whatever I teach you today, I will send the recording of this class. Okay, you just hear the recording of the class and you make your video while telling the story to your parents. Okay, and then send me. And if you want, you can tell story in Hindi. If you want, you can speak in English. Okay, which language more comfortable for you? Just prefer with that one language. Okay. So, okay.
okay.
So I want to see chat. I think there's so many. Very nice. You are very. Mataji, please send quiz in group based on the topic. Sure, I will send. I will sure send a. I will send the quiz also. Okay. So next start. Based on this story, we have a 2 value story. A for Arjun. Today we complete A for Arjun and we take the story of Arjun and the eye of the bird. On the related of this story, we have a 2 moral story on attention. Okay. Value, A for attention, value story. You know what is this, everyone? I know everybody know who's this. Taj Mahal. Yay! सबके चेहरे पे smile आ गया. You can see your smiley face. This is a Taj Mahal. Okay. And where is it? India. In India, Agra. During the construction of the Taj Mahal, there was an expert plasterer who worked on the construction site. The construction manager was inspecting the construction every day. Noticed for 3 days in a row, the plasterer was sitting in the same place and mixing the same plaster. What happening when the construction of Taj Mahal is going on? There are so many laborers are working, and one is a plasterer, very expert plasterer. And what he's doing? He is doing same thing with since the last 3 days. He's sitting in the same place and doing same job. He's missing some material nicely. And when the constructor manager became, and one is an inspection. When one person is going for inspection every day there on a site, construction site. So when inspecting the construction every day, so the construction manager went to visit the construction site. What he saw? One man doing same thing every day. He's sitting same place, doing same job, mixing some materials, and he became angry and sad. The construction manager became angry and sad. Why are you still simply sitting and mixing the plaster? You are so lazy. The man was mixing the plaster, told the inspector, let me show you what I have been doing. So what he said, you are very lazy. You're not doing anything. You're just sitting simply and mixing these things and you're showing you're doing big job and you are not doing anything. You're just time pass. You're time pass person. तो क्या बोला कि तुम रोज एक ही जगह बैठते हो और सब मिक्स करते हो तो तुम कुछ नहीं करते हो बस बैठे रहते हो और ताजमहल कैसे बनेगा सब लोग इतना काम करें यू आर नॉट डूइंग मच वर्क तुम हार्ड वर्क नहीं करते हो so what he replied the man who was mixing the plaster told the inspector let me show you what I have been doing the plasterer then threw some mixed plaster on the wall, and then he challenged the constructor, managed to take out the plaster. What he did? Bole, okay, you are thinking this, I'm not doing anything. Just I want to show you my work, what I'm doing last 3 days. I'm not lazy, I'm not sitting, I'm not time pass person. So what he said to inspector, come with me, I want to show you my work. He take some material from his mixer and he mixed plaster on a wall, and what he did, let me show you what I've been doing. The plaster then threw some mixed plaster on the wall, and then he challenged the construction manager to take out the plaster. लो, उसने क्या किया, थोड़ा प्लास्टर से फेंक दिया, बोला कि अब तुम इसको निकाल के दिखाओ. The construction manager tried with all his might but was unsuccessful, and he tried very badly so many times, but he was totally unable to do it. He not able to do it. The plaster was so well mixed, it became solid and hard that no one could get it off the wall, and it is still there today. So what happened? According to the manager, his worker not doing anything, and because he did so much effort, so because of him mixing nicely since 3 days, so what happened? Now the mixer is very solid and hard. Nobody can keep out from the wall. So the end of the inspector manager say sorry to the constructor and say sorry, I unable to judge you properly. So attention, word meaning of attention here, the worker did his job very nicely with full attention, and the manager, he is not full attentive on his constructor. What is blaming? You are not doing anything. So there's a two things. If we are attentive and we are not attentive, if we are attentive, we can do our work properly. If we are not attentive, then what happens? We can blame to everyone. Oh, you are not doing anything because we don't know anything. That's why. So children, next time you visit Taj Mahal, try to spot the plaster. Okay, there is again one story. Do you want to hear this story? Then letter A will finish, the letter B will start, and we will take letter B our next Sunday. B for Balramji, we will take next Sunday this letter. So I think, should I tell you the story? Would you like to listen? Should I start? Story 2. This is again regarding the attention. You can see here 2 monkey and this is our mind. One for intelligent, one for mind. So this is a beautiful story. Once upon a time, Kapil and his Sudhir were walking in a busy crowded road. Suddenly Kapil turned toward his friend and with the beaming smile said, "That's the voice of a cricket. Not the game cricket, but the insect cricket. Come, let's find it." What happened? There are 2 friends. One is Kapil and one is Sudhir. They are very nice friends. And what they are doing? They are going through a crowded road. And suddenly what happened? Kapil heard some sound. The sound of insect cricket. Do you know insect? One is small insect. The name of insect is cricket. So what Kapil told to his friend Sudhir, "Sudhir, please help me to find this insect." So Sudhir said, "Are you crazy, man? So many people are here, so much crowd, so much noise, and how you are able to hear the small insect's voice? How is possible? Not possible." क्या बोलता है? हम दोनों इतनी भीड़ में जा रहे हैं, इतना शोर है बाजार में, और तुमको इतने शोर में एक जानवर की एक छोटी सी कीड़े की आवाज कैसे आ सकती है? This is not possible. So they immediately began to find the tiny insects on that busy road. But it was this nature-loving couple who found that cricket some feet away in a roadside bush. Sudhir was surprised at Kapil's ability to hear the voice of a small cricket on such a busy road. So Sudhir was okay, because you are my friend, so I will help you. But you are a crazy man. How you can do like this? So many people are here and everyone is going here and there, and you are going to find a little insects. The name of insect is, okay, I will help you. Sudhin started to searching here and there, but he is able to find. But Kapil, because he is a nature loving, he suddenly fight the insects. And Sudhir is shocked. How you got it? How you able to find it? क्या होता है? बोलता है ठीक है भाई, मैं तुम्हारी मदद करता हूँ ढूंढने में। ढूंढता है और जैसे वो ढूंढता है उसको नहीं मिलता है, वो छोटा सा कीड़ा के मिलेगा रोड पे, पर कपिल को मिल जाता है। कोई कपिल बहुत ध्यान से उसको ढूंढता है प्रेम के साथ। तो फिर वो क्या करते हैं कि फिर ऊपर तुमने कैसे ढूंढा? बोलता है कि बिकॉज ऑफ माई इंटेंशन अटेंशन surprised and happy. They continued walking on the road. A few steps later, Sudhir asked, "How is possible for you to recognize such a small sound on such a busy road?" With a mischievous smile, Kapil said, "I will show you." Kapil took out a coin from his pocket, flicked into the air, and allowed it to drop on the ground with the sound clink, clink, clank. So what he did, Sudhir asked, "How you did this? This is not possible. In so much crowd, how you can able to find a small insect?" So Kapil said, "Do give me one thing. I'm just going to show you something." So what he did, he took out a coin and flick into the air. उसने हवा में फेंका और उस ग्राउंड को, उस जो कॉइन को नीचे गिरने दिया। कॉइन नीचे गिरा, खन 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 आवाज हुई। पैसा गिरता है कैसे आवाज होती है? As soon as the coin fell on the ground, the entire crowd of commuter came to a standstill as each one heard the sound of the coin falling to the ground. The public started checking their pockets to see if it was their own coin that fell. Seeing this, couple started laughing and told his friend, "If you love something, if you pay attention, you can hear." What happened? What couple did? He took coin, dropped it the ground, and because some little sound came from the coin, so जो crowd था, crowd में से क्या हुआ? सब लोग देखने लगे, मेरा पैसा तो नहीं गिरा, मेरा coin तो नहीं गिरा, is it my coin? तो वो दोनों हंसने लग जाते हैं। तो फिर कपिल क्या बोला सुधीर को, if you love something, if you pay attention, you can hear. So when is absorbed in whatever he does, it will have a great and lasting impact. So if we love something, if we love our study, then we are able to study properly. If we love our duty, we are able to do attentively. Okay, now anybody want to speak this second story or first story? Taj Mahal or this one, coin wala? Anybody want to speak? Okay, Sharanya. Okay, let's see before Sharanya anybody want to speak if, क्योंकि Sharanya ने already बोल दिया है. Nobody, Amlan? Okay. So today we completed our letter A. In our next class we will take letter B. Okay. So A for Arjuna and A for attention. Okay. Except Sharanya, nobody want to speak? Okay, Sharanya. You are only.
Mataji, should I read this story?
Read, no, you can just tell me in a short, okay? No need to complete, but you just tell me moral or short story. Kapil and Sudhir wala, okay? Are you able to tell me in a short?
Once,
Or you can speak in a 2 or 3 lines. No need to tell in a long way. Anybody want to try?
Once Sudhir and Kapil were
Huh?
on the road. They saw a swan behind the bush. Kapil was very surprised to see the small insect. So
Pavitra.
did that come let's see the cricket. It's
Where is Pavitra? Okay, you continue, Sharanya.
Small coin and crowd were searching them that it was not is that their own coin. So at last, Kapil said to Sudhir that if you pay attention, then you can
Good. Okay, Pavitra. Good, Sharanya. Pavitra, please unmute yourself. Pavitra, after long time, when you came back, welcome back, madam. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Fine,
Why
ma'am.
you not coming since last long time?
Ma'am, before some weeks my exams were there. That's why.
Oh, how was your exam?
Nice.
Nice. Okay. Happy to see you back. Can you show me your beautiful face?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Okay. Okay, which one story would you like to speak? Taj
I
Mahal.
would like to speak the Taj Mahal one.
Okay, start.
Ma'am, once upon a time, there lived a worker. He was building the Taj Mahal, I guess so. So, he always came over there for a round, and before 3 days, he could see a man mixing some plaster, and for the same 3 days he was mixing the same plaster as sitting the same place. So on the third day, when he saw the man, he got very angry of him and asked him, "Why are you sitting here? You have sat here for a long time." Then the plaster man stood up and said, "Oh, really? Then come with me." And then he took the construction worker, and then he poured some plaster mixture on the wall, and then asked the man to just take it out. And when the man tried all his might of taking out the plaster mixture, he couldn't, and then he gave up and understood that the man was not wasting his time, but he was making a very special thing. Then
Then attention, there is a moral value of attention. Hame attention. What we have to do?
pay attention.
Yeah, this is the learn. Read this one.
When one is absorbed in whatever he does, it will have a great and lasting impact.
Very nice. Good. And be regular now, okay? Your exam is over now. Hare Krishna, Pavitra. Good job. Well done. Okay, anybody want to speak? Should I stop this? So, see you next Sunday, everyone. Thank you so much for being there for such a long time. I hope you enjoyed these so many stories and shloka. I have so many stories and I want to tell all story today, but I know you're also feeling hungry. I am also feeling hungry. Now just go and enjoy. See, there are so many things. A for Arjun, B for Balaram, C for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, D for Damodar Leela, E for Elephant King, F for friendship, Z for Ganesha, H for Hanuman, I for Indra. You will take all story, okay? Today I took this one, A for Arjuna. So bye bye. Hare Krishna. See you all. Okay, I'm going to unmute you all. Okay, unmute everyone. You can unmute. Bye bye. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mata ji.
Mataji, Dandat Pranam.
Hare Krishna. Dandavat Pranam everyone. See you next Sunday.